Good morning, all my tens and tens of followers. It is the first Saturday in October, and I'm here to tell you, I haven't been on a motorcycle in over a week, and it's been painful. But I'm going to make a quick loop today. Any of you that follow me, I've been building a new house, and this week was flooring. I started a week ago on a Friday, and it took me what seemed like an eternity to put the hardwoods down. It was only 1,100 square feet of hickory and another few hundred feet of tile in the bathroom. I'm just glad I'm unemployed, so I was able to do it. I could only imagine what it would have cost in labor. It's a beautiful morning, 51 degrees. The roads have been a slight bit dirty, but tolerable. The leaves are just about getting ready to change and fall off and drop on the road. I'd get a quick run in, slay the dragon, and then go home and put 3 more coats of polyurethane on that floor before I cover it up. They trim the house out on Monday, and then paint starts on Tuesday. Might just meet our deadline of getting in by the end of October. Might. But I'm going to end this video here. You don't want to see what I'm about to do. So I'll chat at y'all later.